So ito isa yung pumuko sa atensyon ko netizens kasi sports sedan siya. Inspired na Aurora Borealis yung kanyang pinaka daytime running light. Napaka-pogi ng mukha, no? Carbon yung pinaka-chin niya dito. Nagustuhan ko yung logo nila. Tingnan mo yung gilid, oh. May plus siya dito kasi itong unit na to is yung kanilang 03 Plus na sports sedan. Napakaganda ng mga mugs niya, no? At tingnan mo naman, napaka-stunning ng pinaka-taillight. Full gasoline tong engine nito netizens. Napakalakas din, ha? 2 liters. Power seats na siya. Pinaka-steering wheel niya, no? Suede material. Pati yung kanyang shifter. May armrest. Meron din sunroof. Sports sedan. Ang ganda rin ng seatbelt, no? May launch control, may mga cup holders. Hindi to two-door, ha? So, meron siyang engine performance, 265 PS and 380 Nm of torque na kayang mag 0 to 100, 5.7 seconds. This is a Borg-Warner all-wheel drive system. Top speed, 250 km per hour. Energy Cube combination na LED tail lamp, carbon fiber na front lip, rear spoiler and side mirrors, bilateral quad exhaust na merong 12.8 inches na HD siding touchscreen, Alcantara seats, ambient interior lighting, Harman Infinity audio system, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto at merong 20 plus advanced driver assistance function, 540-degree all-around view, high-strike body structure, adaptive front lighting system. Meron lang tayo dito aircon vents, armrest, may cup holders din, grab bars, pati yung passenger mo pala naka-sport seat din, no? Medyo mababa lang yung ground clearance kaya iwas ka sa mga humps nito. 2,888,000 para sa inyo. Sulit ba tong link ko? 0 plus sports sedan? Comment nyo naman sa baba.